Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to Fun. We're doing it real big at work. It is garbage o'clock. Long meeting this morning. Let's get to work. Shout outs to Jesus Ecology Truck 1714. Also Garbage Truck Channel 5677. And shout out to Jesus. Here we go. No, don't break down the can. Don't break down the cardboard. Just do what you want to do. Let's try it. That's all we can do. Success. Okay. Recycle's gonna have a fun time with that one. Got another one. This one looks better. So it's Thursday. We're running a day early actually. We're running on time. It's Thursday, picking up Thursday's route, but last week, remember, we were running a day behind, so this got picked up on Friday. So technically the trash should be a little lighter just this week, but at the same time, I think it's gonna even out because of the leftovers, Thanksgiving leftovers and whatnot. So I think it's just gonna be a normal day, even though we're early. All right, let's turn this truck around and get the other half side of this street. Earlier I saw a bus on one of these streets. Picked up the student in front of their house. I was behind the bus. The bus flashes lights with the stop sign and somebody wanted to go through. I guess they haven't seen those videos where the kid runs across the street to get on the bus and a car comes, and instead of stopping like there should be because it's the law, they go and either nearly miss the kid or, God forbid, hit the kid crossing the street. So I got in front of that car and told them to stop until the bus sign and the flashlight stopped. Should have gotten it on video, but it kind of just happened. I wasn't really thinking about videoing. But yeah, when you see a bus and the stop sign is out with the flashing lights, you need to stop. Pick it up, line it up, pick it up. We're running a day early. Come on, my guys. We had a 1 hour meeting this morning. Plus I gotta do my route. Well, I gotta do my route, plus I gotta do my piece, the largest cup piece that they can have you do today. I can't be getting off the truck to pick up your overloads, or I'll never finish. You saw what time I got off yesterday? That's with me trying to finish. There's no downtime here. Driving, traffic. Downtime, landfill. I don't really call it a downtime. Downtime is like you're literally parked and you're waiting for instructions because you're done. And that's downtime. There's no downtime here. You want to go home? You better finish. And believe me, overtime gets exhausting. What? I tagged some wood yesterday. This looks like flimsy plastic. It'll break as easy as a toothpick. The wood, not really. It'll break my hoses. See, there's the difference. Every can is different. Every situation is different. Different outcomes. different risks. Good job. Not flimsy. Sticking out. You know what it is. All I remember is breaking down at the landfill because something got caught and broke my hydraulic hose, and I was down for the rest of the day. On top of that, the superintendent talked about this, getting stuff stuck in here or it might damage the big thick hoses. There's a bunch of hoses right there. Those are hydraulic hoses. How dare they put that can half empty out here? They should have put the whole tree. What's going on? Craziness. Come on, you could do better. See, that's what I'm talking about. Put the whole tree in there. I'm being sarcastic. Do not put the whole tree in there. Yeah. It needs to be said, I know. Kind of weird. Don't space out your cans. Makes it harder. So please, do space out your cans. Sometimes you can't. I understand, but over here, it looks like you can. Crazy day today. So fun. Let's check if she's empty. Looking good. Let's go to the other side. Looking good. No flat tires. No trash juice at the moment. Little windy. We've got a can of corn. Truck is not level. That's why that door keeps closing on me. Cool. Let's get out of here. Shout out to Republic. That looks like a 454 Super Sport Chevy pickup truck. It is super clean. Wow. Pre-grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Don't forget to drop a like. It's getting dark. I'm super tired. Sitting down. It's almost 5 o'clock. Watch this. I'm 6 feet tall. My left foot, I can't stretch it out. It's as far as it goes. I can't stretch it out. The right one, obviously, I gotta use the pedals, but... What? But not even my left one, I can't stretch it out all the way. Just not too long ago, I stepped off the truck because I had to stretch a little bit. So it's not always sunshine and rainbows out here for a garbage truck. But at least it's not hot. Oh man, those summers, even worse. When I can't stretch out my foot and I'm sweating. Oh, loving the weather right now. Pick it up. Line it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Line it up. Pick it up. Let's go, we fit, let's go. Uh-oh, a little heavy there. I saw Joseph earlier. He gave me some shrooms, some snacky bears. Thank you, Joseph. That meeting really messed everyone up. There's still a lot of cars out here, hot dogs. Let's get out of here. LA Danny out.